Hi everyone, welcome to today's class of science. Today we will discuss third part of question answers of chapter 2 food and its components. Okay, till now we have discussed four parts of this chapter, two of theory and two of question answers. So let's discuss some more question answers. Okay, first question is fill in the blanks and mainly provide energy to our body. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body. A blank can prevent deficiency disease. A balanced diet can prevent deficiency disease. Too much fat in diet may lead to obesity. Okay, lead to obesity. Helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Vitamin C, if we overcook the food, then vitamin C will get destroyed. Okay, helps in clotting of blood. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. Deficiency of vitamin D causes, we all know this, it is rickets. Deficiency of vitamin C causes, we all know this, it is scurvy. Okay, makes about 70% of our body weight. Water makes up about 70% of our body weight. Cooking in too much water destroy nutrients in the food. Okay, is important for proper functioning of digestive system. Fiber or roughage are important for the proper functioning of digestive system. Spinach is rich in iron. Okay, got it? So let's move to next question, that is true or false. Milk does not provide dietary fiber. Very true. Milk provides proteins only. Fat provides less energy as compared to same amount of carbohydrate. False. Okay, because carbohydrates and fats are main sources of energy. Lacks of nutrients in our diet over a long period are called deficiency disease. Very true. It is true. Rice and potato are rich in protein. False. Rice and potato are rich in protein. That is false. Egg is a rich source of protein. True. Phosphorus and vitamin D. Eggs is a rich source of protein as well as phosphorus and vitamin D. It is true. Peas, gram, soyabeans and cottage cheese are good source of proteins. Very true. A food item may contain more than one nutrients. Very true. Okay. So let's discuss some very short answer type questions. Which vitamin is not present in milk? It is vitamin C. Okay. Write the deficiency disease caused by bleeding gums. It is scurvy. Okay. Write the deficiency disease that is caused by the deficiency of iron in diet. It is anemia. It is anemia. Write the vitamin that represents Write the vitamin that represents a group of other vitamins. It is vitamin B complex. Okay, vitamin B complex. What is obesity? We have discussed this in earlier also. Obesity is the condition of excess body weight due to the accumulation of fat in the body. Okay, when the fat got deposited or accumulated in the body, it results in obesity. Now, name the major nutrients in our food. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, the table below shows the nutrients present in some food. Okay, examples are given there of food items, and the starch, proteins, and fats are present in given food items. They can be considered over there. Okay, like raw potato, it contains starch. Milk, it contains protein and fat also. Groundnut, it contains protein and fat. Okay, uncooked dry rice, it contains starch. Cooked rice contains starch. Okay, cooked dal contains protein. Cooked, okay, boiled egg white contains protein. Okay, so let's move further for discussion of some more questions. Name the following the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. They are carbohydrates. The nutrient that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body are proteins. Vitamin, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight is vitamin A. Okay. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy is calcium. Is calcium. Name two foods each rich in fats. They are rich in ghee and butter, starch, raw potato and rice, dietary fiber, spinach, cabbage, carrot, ladyfinger. Okay. Then next is protein, milk, eggs, fish, meat, and pulses. Okay, let's move to next question. Tick the statement that are correct and cross those are which are incorrect. Okay, by eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Wrong. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Right. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Definitely it's correct. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to body. Wrong. Okay, let's move to next. Fill in the blank. Is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets we discussed earlier also. Deficiency of scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin B, B1 causes disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our body. Let's move to some more questions. Do all meals consist of same food items? No, all meals do not consist same food items. Why should a meal have different food items? A meal should have different food items because our body needs different kinds of nutrients, for proper functioning. Different kinds of nutrients for proper functioning. Do all food item contains all the required nutrients? No, all food do not contains all the nutrients required by our body. Next is name two main types of carbohydrates, starch and sugar. okay, found in our food are starch and sugar. What are carbohydrates? The compounds of hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen which provide energy for our body are called carbohydrates. Provide energy for our body are called carbohydrates. What happens when two or more drops of iodine solution fall on star substance? It becomes blue black. Its color will change and becomes blue black. If any food items gives blue black color with iodine, then the nutrient is present in food is starch. Name two substances which provide carbohydrates: potato, rice, wheat, maize, and sugar. Name the food nutrients indicated by an oily patch on the paper. Oily patch on the paper shows the presence of fat. Name two energy providing nutrients, carbohydrates and fats. Name a nutrient which help in repairing the damaged body cells. It is protein. Name the two nutrients which protect the body from disease. It is vitamins and minerals. Okay, next question. Name two plant food items which provide proteins: dal, pulses, and soya bean. They are rich source of proteins. Name two sources of proteins provided by animals: milk and eggs. Milk and eggs. Okay. So next question, which which type of food is called bodybuilding food? Food containing proteins is called bodybuilding food. Okay. Food which are rich in protein are called bodybuilding food. Name two food items which provide fats. It is oil and ghee and butter also. Name various types of vitamins. Various types of vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Okay? Okay, dear students. So, let's move further. Thank you. In today's class, we have discussed about fill in the blank, true, false, very short answer type questions, and short answer type questions. Okay, dear students. So, till tomorrow, do one thing, read and revise all the questions discussed in this video and try to learn them. These questions are very much of good importance, not for only exam point of view. By remembering these questions and the protein, minerals, vitamins, fats, and dietary fibers and their sources, we can keep our health in a very good shape. Okay, so dear students, bye bye, take care. Tomorrow we will discuss the last part of this chapter, that is chapter 2, food and its component. Till then, bye bye, dear students. Okay, my dear, bye.